Isn't this a lovely winter morning? You're looking at the Inn at Villanova in Pennsylvania. Lovely property. And I was there for a presentation, to deliver a presentation, a keynote. And we had morning bird song, blue sky, and I'll let you see how the afternoon turned out. This day close to Philadelphia began with beautiful clear blue skies. I've just wrapped up giving a keynote presentation to a great group, and it is still beautiful out. Yet the skies are looking a little different. And what a lovely venue for our day.